Hello friends! Want to make this beautiful fan? I don't know whether it is Chinese or Japanese, but it's beautiful. So let's begin. To make this Chinese fan, we will need chart paper. I have taken a 45 by 75 centimeter pencil to draw the design, colors of your choice, paintbrush and a container filled with water. Let's begin. This is my huge chart paper and now we will fold this into half along the long side. Now we'll be filling this chart paper with some design of your choice. I am drawing some floral vectors on it. Design on one side is ready. I will repeat a similar design on the other side. I will majorly be using the golden color, but also I will use pink, red, white, orange and yellow. So let's start coloring. Now I am done with the flowers in orange color, and now I will be giving white to the stars. I'll complete the rest of the painting. Ta-dang! My first side is done. I will do a similar design on the second side. Finally, the both sides are ready. Now we'll fold it to make a fan. Let's begin. First we'll fold it in half. then its half, then its half. Now open the pan and fold it alternately, zigzag, zigzag, zoom. And the last fold. Now we'll fold it from the middle and stick the middle part with Fevicol. Stick it firmly. Ta-da! Beautiful! Wonderful, isn't it? Hope you liked today's video. I loved making this pan. You also try making it and impress everyone. We are going to bring more such videos full of fun, information, morals and masti. So do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Bye!